How to set up a manual proxy server in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to enter your proxy details and get it configured on your device. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Proxy on the right side of the screen. At this point, scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section. From here, click Setup next to Use a Proxy Server. Following this, a window will pop up with a few fields to fill in. After that, toggle on Use a Proxy Server at the top of that window to enable it. From here, enter the proxy server address in the first field. This is usually an IP address provided by your network administrator or proxy service. At this point, enter the port number in the field next to it. This is typically a number like 8080 or 3128, depending on the proxy you're using. Following this, if there are any addresses you want to bypass the proxy and connect to directly, enter them in the exceptions field below. Separate each one with a semicolon. After that, if you want your local network addresses to always bypass the proxy, check the box labeled Don't use the proxy server for local addresses. Finally, click Save to confirm, and Windows will start routing your internet traffic through the proxy server straight away. That's how you set up a manual proxy server in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.